So we've been coming to your thoughts on how your business has evolved in general. If I look at customer behavior across India in specifically, how do you see the customer behavior has evolved from their pre-COVID days to during the COVID and post-COVID? Have you seen through the data analytics and the technology-enabled solutions any different behaviors in consumers in their spending, in their consumption of products?
So yes and no. I think there are. When you look at all three eras, actually, it was interestingly how it changed and how uniqueness of the behavior was there. Because I remember when I used to attend a lot of the events pre-COVID, people had started talking about like a lot of the millennials and the Gen Z is moving away from brand loyalty. Brand loyalty was becoming more like a commodity, and people said that everybody's looking for more service and personalization, which is true today's world also. But brand loyalty was taking, it seemed like a backseat. I remember I attended some BCG sessions at that time, and I think what happened was that when the COVID came, I think that brand actually became, I would say, and the loyalty became the centerpiece of the consumer behavior. And I think, and especially when it really worked well for brands like Starbucks, that the kind of trust and the belief that people had in this brand, that whenever they serve you coffee, even during the COVID era, whatever we were able to do, they will be all the safety precautions will be taken care of. And I think that I feel that the brand and the loyalty has then carried on to the post-COVID era world as well, where I think people want, they do love, and you and I were talking, as well before this session, brand loyalty and that's has continued, and I think it puts then great onus on brands, like companies like Starbucks to really honor and to carry that trust, and that goes across multiple levers, though in terms of product, the pricing, the technology, the security, the data privacy, and I think that has continued. Now, being said that, I think the other layers of customer behavior, whether it was personalization, your demand for service, everything is yesterday, the expectations of that. That they don't really, and actually it's an interesting thing, because when you're trying to create digital products in a brick and mortar company like us, people don't think as they these are brick and mortar, so maybe their app won't be great, or this is Zomato or Swiggy or other company, their app would be absolutely great, because these guys spend probably like billions of dollars, and we have maybe a fraction of budget of that. So I think that's what creates a lot of challenges in terms of that. Then how do you really enable that personalization, that service? I think I think that is consistent, and it creates a lot of onus and challenges for brands like us to be able to meet those expectations. So other levers, as I said, personalization, service, the ease of the digital products, whether it's refunds, whether it's customer service, everything continues, and I think those are the things I would say that has been the characteristic of the various dimensions of time that we have seen over the last 3-4 years.